Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BUR-thuh, the biggest one, not the little. And today we're doing wigs and wine. But today's video is sponsored by UNICE. Let me show you. Sponsored by UNICE. They sent me a 6x4.5 22-inch water wave wig. Beautiful. One of my favorites. I'm like a full frontal girly, and this is a ready-to-wear or glueless unit. I'm a 6x6 girly. I love the ear to ear, so it can feel like. And then the glueless, the taking it on, putting it on, that's not for me usually. So let's see how this wig really like, if it's giving glueless for real. So other than the wig in the box, which I'll show you guys in a second, what they sent me is so cute. Hold on. They sent me a wig band. Cute. A wig cap. Cute. And some nails. Isn't that cute? That's cute. And then a little pocket mirror. So it says UNICE. Alright, so let's get to the wig. So this is the wig. She looks really good. 22 inches. Smells good. Her edges are already done. Inside, we have a band. The combs, per usual. One on the back, two on the sides. And then lace. The lace is looking really good. The color is nice. The knots are bleached. So let's put this on. So I know the glueless girlies be like doing the flip. So I'm gonna do the flip instead of like trying to, I don't know. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, this looks so good. Wait, let me fix and adjust. Because we need a little bit more forehead than that. Oh my gosh. Wait. Wait. Imagine if this was a full frontal. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my goodness. This looks amazing. This looks so good. Wow. Like the edges are done. I don't even know what else to do. Like, I don't know what else to do. I love like the puffy, but still wet looking, fluffy edges. So this is perfect. What do you guys think? This is it. I don't know what else to say. This is cute. Unfortunately, I can't like, I can flip it, but like not too much. But this is really hot. Like I have nothing else to do. Maybe a little mousse on top just to get away of the like flyaways. But this looks really good. 22 inches. Like I didn't have to put any product, nothing. I just have like my hair braided down. No product. Like, yes. I love this. UNICE, 10 out of 10. Everything you sent me, 1,000,000 out of 10. This is perfect. I love this wig. I love this wig style in general. So this is just like that I can like literally take it, put it on and go. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. What the heck? UNICE, 10 out of 10. This wig will be linked in the description box below. This is a must cop. I'm not gonna lie, this is a must. This is a must have. Especially if like you feeling lazy, like you really don't like having a wig on all the time because maybe the lace get crunchy or you don't like the maintenance part of it. You know, you don't really want to wear it at night. You get hot. Your scalp is itching and sweating, panicked and shaking. This is it. Yeah, real bad. Real bad. This is it. All right, UNICE. Not too fucking much. But I love these. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye.